a 2.7-inch screen, LCD screen, and front side this is the camera. And back side there are some keys to operate the unit, including the menu key and mode key. And on the side, this is the charging point, and there is a AV option. Then there is a reset button over here. This side, this is the mic, which records the audio also. And here we have SD card slot and the power button. And this is the mounting part. This is used to mount the unit on the windscreen. And here is the loudspeaker.